when you miss a turn, your GPS doesn't shout at you. It doesn't insult you. It doesn't say, how could you be this stupid? It just recalculates. Now compare that to how you treat yourself. You make a choice that doesn't work out and you replay it for years. You take a path that leads nowhere and you call yourself a failure. You learn something the hard way and you punish yourself for not knowing sooner. That's how progress works. Life isn't judging you, it's redirecting you. The mistake isn't the wrong turn. The mistake is attacking yourself instead of adjusting the route. Because a missed exit doesn't cancel the destination, it just changes how you get there. Here are your affirmations. I correct without self attack. I adapt instead of shame myself. I move forward with clarity and confidence. With love, Diana.